In these nutrition-conscious days, we're becoming more aware that a good diet is not just about what we eat, it's also about finding the healthiest ways to prepare and cook our meals. The Smeg combination steam oven uses the latest cooking technology to give you a truly multifunctional appliance. An excellent choice as a primary or secondary oven. It has a wide 38-litre cavity, so you can cook bigger joints of meat and a greater volume of food at any one time. And with 10 functions, from grilling to baking to steaming, the entire cooking process becomes seamless. It's the wonders of steam cooking that will make this oven such a valuable addition to your kitchen. Surround the food with steam, and moisture and nutrients won't escape from it. Plus, the steam helps the food keep its consistency and colour. The result? You can save time cooking multiple dishes at once. Food that retains its flavour, keeps its original form, and is healthier to eat. A succulent, delicious taste your family will love. The Smeg Combi Steam Oven is fitted with a grill element, which can also be used in conjunction with the fan. Now you can sear meat in the oven before the cooking process begins, while other dishes can be browned as part of finishing the cooking process. And with built-in automatic programs, the oven will set the temperature and cooking time for you. There are 15 programs to choose from. Simply select the meat, fish, or vegetables function, and then use the dial on the left to choose the program. Cooking with the Smeg combination steam oven gives you a new, energy-efficient and safe method to produce great-looking food that is both healthy and nutritious. With steam, it's so easy to get results like these. With the Smeg combination steam oven, you get all the versatility you need to create perfect meals like never before.